Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to close a Capital One credit card properly so you can avoid issues and make sure the account is fully closed. Before closing your card, make sure the balance is paid off and that there are no pending transactions or recurring payments linked to the card. It's also a good idea to redeem any remaining rewards since you may lose them once the account is closed. To close your Capital One credit card, sign into your Capital One account online or through the Capital One mobile app. Once you're logged in, select the credit card you want to close. Look for an option related to account services, account settings, or card management. In some cases, you may see an option to close the account directly. Follow the on-screen instructions if that option is available. If you don't see a close account option, you will need to contact Capital One customer support. You can do this by calling the number on the back of your credit card or using the secure message or chat option in your online account. Let the representative know you'd like to close your credit card account. Once the request is processed, ask for confirmation that the account is closed and verify that the balance is zero. You may also want to check your credit report later to make sure the account shows as closed. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you close your Capital One credit card, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.